Hi, Jesse here. So we are currently at Manali en route to Ahmedabad. I have a lot of fear of heights. This day one. Let's see what happens. We are almost there. You can see there. Yeah. There. Kansa there. Yeah. I've reached. I think this could be end of the first day. Let's see how it goes. Come on. Oh man. Great. Oh my god. I don't think you can see the smoke. Sorry, you can see the fog. But yeah. Hi. Good morning. This is the start of day 2. It's around 6 a.m. Man, I just had the brush. The water is so cold. Just removed my hoodie and gloves and beanie. Let's see how it goes. This is the day 2 of trekking. We just started. So now we are at the 10,000 elevation. Now we'll be going to 12,000 elevation. So currently the whole trek of this today, the day 2 will be 12.5 kilometers. It's too hot, so I just removed my hoodie and gloves and beanie. So let's see how it goes. Guys,
अगर तू रिकेट
अबे बहन के लंडे ब्लॉग निकाल रहा हूँ.
अगर तू रिकेट आने दे पर स्टार्ट कर.
ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट है.
अगर तू रिकेट जितना भी पतला होगा ना बहन के लिए ना मोटा ही बोलेंगे तेरे
You just trekked 750 meters. Feels like 3 kilometers. Having chicky for energy. Let's see how it goes. We are not halfway through yet. This is day 2. And my legs have been cramped 2-3 times. It's too tough. It's too tough, but still, it's good. Let's see. Hi. So this is day 2 trekking, and it is around 12:20. And this is the lunch they have provided. It is fried rice with some mixed veggies. So yeah. This is the end of second trek. Second day of trekking. The weather is too cold here. and my legs are paining a lot. Today it's just 8.5 kilometer, but tomorrow, that means the third day of trekking, it's like around 12.5, 13. I don't know whether I can go. Too tough. The last 20-30 minutes is the toughest one today. So tired. एक सिग्नल है, एक पॉइंट एयरटेल हाँ. So hi, so this is day 3 of trekking. So what we are yesterday is 12,000 feet elevation. So this is gonna be tough than yesterday. अरे उसका बैग गिर गया दादा, इसीलिए. हाँ उसका बैग गिर गया. अरे उसका बैग गिर गया रे. हाँ, so yeah, today the trek is around 12.5 kilometers. So there will be ascending trek, and descending trek. So we are gonna trek in snow now. So as you can see, this is all plain surface. We haven't experienced snow yet. Let's see how it goes. We go now. Hey, Vishal. This is the first testing point on the day 3 of the trekking. It's good. हवा ठंडी आ रहा है लेकिन I'm sweating. You can see I have applied lot of Vaseline still. My lips dried. Let's see how it goes. Having great experience. Feeling sweaty but feeling cold. Let's see how it goes. This is the second resting point. Reached. Let's see how it goes. Man, we need to reach there. It's so great. Wow. Maybe I am poor at vlogging. This is first time I'm vlogging. ये हमारा ट्रैक लीडर है. Everyone calls him Munna. He has a butterfly tattoo, which he himself got it done.
कैसा लगा आपको मेरे साथ?
बढ़िया,
एकदम मस्त.
मजा आया. Photo session done. Now we are going to have lunch. Let's see how it goes.
Hello, hi everyone. My name is Rajesh. I am from Uttarakhand. Right now we are the Hamta Pass trek on the top You can see the around beauty of the nature, and this side is the Spiti. You can see.
And he's our trek leader.
Yes,
He's one
yes.
of our trek leader. The experience with them is too good. They are good caring. It's a great experience with you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, welcome.
Hi. So this is the end of day 3 trekking. We've reached the campsite. You can see my lips are wow dried. And here the weather is fine. This is the end of the day 3 trekking. Okay, let's see how it goes. So yeah, this is day 4 of trekking. Day 4 of trekking. We are en route to Chandratal Lake. So we are walking. You can see this is the situation. Let's see how it goes. So hi, we are near to Chandratal Lake. I am suffering from severe migraine. Severe. I don't think this is worthy. These guys helped me. Thanks, bro. Let's see how it goes. We have reached the Chandratal Lake. To be honest, this is the worst ever. So last time I've gone to Varkala, the ponds, the beach, those were more worthy than this fucking pond. You can see there is nothing, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं है. Don't know why people are, hyping it up. It's not worthy. That's it. Let's see how it goes.
How's the Josh, guys? How's the Josh? चलिए आराम से रखने. Guys, Thai massage, full power. चलो शाबाश. चलो. आराम से. एक दूसरे का नहीं छोड़ना है. Guys, so you can see we are right now in the Shia Guru camp. हम river crossing कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, hi, good morning. So this is the last day of trekking. So now we are moving to Manali. So from Manali, we have to catch the bus and then later we from Delhi to Bangalore again train. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So hi, so this is the end day of the trekking. So we got our certificates too and I changed my dress. So yeah, to be honest to speak, yeah, it's kind of good experience. Intoxicating everything, living without any network signals, living without any contact with out of the world. Yeah, kind of intoxicating the social media and everything. And yeah, little bit I miss this mountains too. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा जब यार करे परवाह मेरी मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की
तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु whatever you're doing in life, this is the biggest learning I had. जो भी तुम कर रहे हो 9 to 5 स्टार्टअप लौड़ा जो भी, ठीक है, दिल से मत करना, दिमाग लगा के करो, डिटैच एंड डू इट. इट्स डोंट, मैं समझ नहीं पाता हूँ, पता है, लोग पूरा दिन दोस्तों के साथ चिल करते हैं, फिर बोलते हैं आज कुछ प्रोडक्टिव किया ही नहीं. 3 PPT बनाएंगे, बोलेंगे व्हाट अ प्रोडक्टिव डे. ये चुतिया गए हो क्या? उल्टा है भाई. द डे यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर द मनी, दैट्स अ डे वेस्टेड. द डे यू स्पेंड टाइम विद फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, दैट इज द प्रोडक्टिव डे. आई होप यू रियलाइज दैट. टेक केयर, लव यू, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, सी यू.